Fin friends, and welcome to the Mermaid Baking Academy. Now today I am so excited because I was walking along the beach this morning and look, I found a message in a bottle. Let's see what it says. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look, there are two recipes. One says drop biscuits and the other says rolled biscuits. Wonder how long it's been in the ocean. Well friends, I think we need to make these straight away. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. Let's begin with the rolled biscuits. So we need flour, salt, sugar, and baking powder. Whisk these together. Now you want to take your butter and your box grater and go ahead and grate the butter in a circle all the way around the bowl on top of the flour mixture. Now, you want to make sure that your butter is ice cold. Do you hear that? That's a good sound because the colder your butter is, the flakier your pastry will be. Quickly toss the mixture with your hands to incorporate everything. Make a well in the center and pour in the buttermilk. Now stir the dough just until everything begins to come together. Perfect! Sprinkle a little flour on your rolling surface and on your rolling pin to prevent the dough from sticking. Bring your dough into a rectangle about 1 inch thick. Fold the dough into thirds, like folding a letter into an envelope. Gently roll the dough back into a 1 inch rectangle and repeat this process 2 more times. Remember to work quickly so the butter doesn't melt, but also try not to overknead the dough. The more you work with it, the tougher your pastry will become. Using a 2.5 inch cookie cutter, quickly press, but don't twist, to cut out the biscuits. Transfer onto a baking sheet and brush the tops of the biscuits with melted butter. Bring together any dough scraps you have, roll them out flat, and cut out more biscuits. Bake until the tops are lightly golden, and voila! Rolled biscuits. So that is one way to make biscuits, and they turned out absolutely beautiful. But rolling out the dough can be a lot of work and mess, which is why I think it's helpful to also know how to make drop biscuits. So we will start with the flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and sugar. Whisk these together. Then we need buttermilk, pour in the melted butter, and mix until the butter forms clumps. No buttermilk? No problem. You can make clabbered milk. Mix 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or lemon juice with your milk and let it stand for at least 10 minutes. Once it starts to curdle and thicken slightly, it's ready to use. And so is this. Add the buttermilk mixture to the dry ingredients and stir until everything is just incorporated. Using a greased 1/4 cup measure, gently scoop the batter out of the bowl and place it onto your baking sheet. Repeat with the remaining batter and brush with melted butter. Bake until the tops are golden brown and crisp. Delicious! Thank you so much for helping me with these message in a bottle biscuits. I sure am glad that this recipe came to us. It's amazing, isn't it? That these two recipes have virtually the same ingredients, but the way that you combine them changes the consistency of the biscuit completely. Friends, if you make these at home or anything else, please feel free to send me a photo or a message because I would absolutely love to hear from you. Enjoy your biscuits, Fin friends, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.